Hey everyone, today we are going to crochet this beautiful rose coaster. It's a beginner friendly project that uses only basic stitches, making it perfect for anyone who wants to create something pretty and practical. For this project, I am using DK weight cotton yarn and a 3.5 mm crochet hook. Now let's get started. We'll begin by making a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around two fingers, grab the working yarn and create a loop like this. Now chain 2. This is our first chain and one more. Next, work 12 double crochet into the magic ring. This is our first double crochet. Second double crochet. Third double crochet. Fourth double crochet. Continue working into the ring until all 12 stitches are complete. Once you are done, pull the yarn tail to tighten the center and close the magic ring. Now, join the round with a slip stitch into the first double crochet. And that's our first round complete. For round 2, chain 2. In this round, we'll be making increases all the way around. Work 2 double crochet into each stitch. This is our first double crochet. One more double crochet into the same stitch. This is our first increase. So simply place an increase in every stitch around the circle. Continue repeating this pattern until you reach the end of the round. By the end, you should have 24 double crochet in total. Now join with a slip stitch into the first double crochet. Our second round is complete and you can already see the coaster base is taking shape. For round 3, chain 2, work 1 double crochet into the first stitch. Then work an increase into the second by making 2 double crochet in same stitch. So the pattern for this round is 1 double crochet followed by an increase. Repeat this pattern all the way around. I'll continue working around and I'll meet you once the round is complete. We have reached the end. Join with a slip stitch into the first double crochet. Yes, our third round is complete. Let's move on to round 4. Chain 2. Work 1 double crochet into each of the next 2 stitches. One more double crochet into the next stitch and an increase into the next. So the pattern for this round is 2 double crochet then 1 increase. Repeat this sequence all the way around. Continue until you reach the end of the round. Once finished, join with a slip stitch into the first double crochet. And just like that, the base of our coaster is complete. If you are enjoying this tutorial so far, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps support my channel, and let me know if you would like to see more crochet projects like this. Now fasten off and weave in the loose ends. Now we will add the leaves using green yarn. Join the green yarn with the slip stitch and make one single crochet into the same stitch. Now chain 3. 1, 2 and 3. Skip the next 2 stitches and work one single crochet into the third stitch. Again chain 3, skip 2 and make one single crochet into the next. Repeat this pattern all the way around. We are creating small chain spaces we'll use to make the leaves. Once you reach the end, chain 3 one final time and join with a slip stitch into the first single crochet. And our 5th round is complete. Now let's make the lace. Chain 1 and work one single crochet into the first chain 3 space. Next, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Insert your hook into the second chain from the hook and make one single crochet like this. And again chain 1 and single crochet into the same chain 3 space. This is our first leaf. For each chain space, repeat the same pattern. One single crochet into the chain 3 space, do chain 3, one single crochet into the second chain from the hook, chain 1 and do a single crochet into the same space. I'll continue making the leaves and I'll meet you once everything is complete. Now all the leaves are finished. Join with a slip stitch into the first single crochet and fasten off the yarn. Now it's time to make the roses. For the flower, I'm using yellow yarn. Begin with a slip knot and chain 10. Starting the second chain from the hook, work 2 double crochet into the same chain. This is our first double crochet. Make one more double crochet into the same chain. Yes. Continue placing 2 double crochet into every chain across. And keep working until you reach the end of the chain. Once complete, chain 1 and fasten off, leaving a long tail for sewing. Now gently roll it up like this, and using the yarn tail, sew through the bottom of the flower several times to secure everything in place. And there we have our little rose. Repeat the same process to make the remaining flowers. Now let's attach the flower to the coaster. Bring the yarn tail through the space between two leaves through the single crochet and tie a secure knot at the back. Make sure the flower feels firmly attached, then weave in the loose ends neatly. Continue attaching the remaining flowers in the same way. I'll finish attaching mine and come back to show you the final result. And we are done. Our crochet rose coaster is complete. I hope you enjoyed and found this tutorial easy to follow. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crocheting, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.